So in the previous lecture, we have sent one text message using the WhatsApp Cloud API through Postman. Now in this lecture, we'll again do the testing of sending a text message of through with Cloud API from Postman, but this time we'll add a URL in the body. So if you go to the collection of the WhatsApp Cloud API, so first under messages, first we did the testing with this send a text message. Okay, now we'll make use of this one. Now we'll make use of this one. Send a text message with pre URL. And if you see the body, see the top portion is not going to change. Okay, the endpoint URL is same. Your authorization is also same concept. Header also same concept. Based on the type of URL, your body is going to be changed every time. Okay, so now this was our last one. Send text message. Okay, so under our Postman collection, I will make a duplicate of this. Send text message preview URL. Okay, so here the version is not going to change. Phone number is not going to change. Both this you will get from your developers.facebook/apps version copy from here v22.0 and your or you say the phone ID from here. Okay, the temporary access token copied from here that we have to add inside the authorization barrier token in the headers content types like JSON and body which is going to be changed. So again I will go back here in the send text message with preview URL. Why it is not giving? Yeah, with preview URL. I just copy this complete body. Okay, I will go here. This is my old one. I will remove completely. I will paste here. Again, I will add a recipient number. Okay, the recipient number is added. Preview URL equal to true. So please visit https. Okay, I'm not changing here. Let me save this. I'm just passing as it is from the WhatsApp Cloud API collection. I'll click on send button. Let's see how it's going. So here you can see again it is success. I will go back to WhatsApp Business API. See how beautifully. Okay, here it is mentioned. The URL is given. We can click on this. Okay, please visit the XYZ. Let me try some different one. So instead of this, I will again make a duplicate of this. Okay, the same one. Let me try my website, some other website. Please visit. I'm just trying. www dot any other website you can try. Please visit for SAP learning videos. Okay, and just click on send. So the spelling is right here. It is giving bad request. Okay, so it is not working. Something is wrong. Recipient phone number not allowed in the list. Oh, my number is same. Okay, let me remove this completely. Let me remove this. 919371415642. Send again. Now I can see success. Go to WhatsApp. Great. Okay, so this time it is not showing that preview. Okay, but first time if you are sending any YouTube videos, it is coming properly. Okay, that is coming properly. Okay, why it is not showing that? Oh, I forget to. 1 second. 1 second. I will copy as it is because that forward slash is not there. I guess I forgot that. Okay, let me remove this completely from here. Yeah, 2 / I forget, send, success, go back. Yeah, now you can see the website preview as well. Okay, so very easy sending a WhatsApp text message through preview URL. You can send any YouTube video, any website, okay, with your custom message inside it. Okay, so we done with the testing of third API, text message with preview URL. Thank you.